Alright, my fellow urban uplanders, we are back at it again. November 12th, we had a cold front move in the past few days, and it's kind of changed our 74-degree weather down to now it's, let's see, it's 25 degrees, cloudy, overcast. We got about a 10-mile-an-hour wind from the northwest, so kind of ideal. It was flurrying a little bit this morning. Decided to hold off because it was just really windy, and we're hunting kind of the second part of the day here. So we are ready to get after it, see if we can get some flushes, see if we can get some birds in the bag, and at the very least, you know, enjoy nature, get out there and get a little exercise. So we'll see you out there, guys. Get on. Birds in here. They're just running on her. Good girl. Hen. Good girl. Good girl, Miah. Pushing through it. Hen. Oh my gosh. Good girl, Miah. Right here. They were right in here. Good dog. Holy smokes. Good girl. Push him up. Push him up. Get him. Good girl. Oh my gosh. I don't know why hens scare the crap out of me, but they freaking do. Good dog. I am covered in goosebumps right now. Right into the sun. Easy. Easy. Miah. Hey. Gosh dang it. I can't keep up with her. Good girl. No bird. I can't keep up with her. They are running so hard. There's the hen right there. That's a wrap on the day. Didn't get any roosters in the bag today, but that doesn't mean it was all for nothing. Mia ended the day with 7 flushes. She flushed 7 different hens, and then the same rooster she flushed twice. I just couldn't keep up with her. She was just really booking, and flushed him wild twice, and he was way out of range. I threw lead, but I don't know. It was a prayer. But you know, that's something we're gonna have to work on. She's really starting to open up this season and really get out there and get more confidence. So, which I like to see. She's definitely less sticky than she was last year. So we got 7 more numbers on the flush counter, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.